Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that I know many of you have been dreaming about: becoming a millionaire while working from the comfort of your own home. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's not only possible, but I'll be sharing some proven strategies that have helped others achieve this goal. So, let's dive in. The first step to becoming a millionaire working from home is to find your niche. This means identifying a specific market or industry that you're passionate about and have expertise in. By focusing on a niche, you can create targeted content and products that cater to a specific audience, making it easier to stand out and succeed. Next, you'll need to build a strong online presence. This includes creating a professional website, engaging on social media, and producing high-quality content that showcases your expertise. By consistently providing value to your audience, you'll establish yourself as an authority in your niche and attract more customers. Once you've built a solid online presence, it's time to monetize your skills and knowledge. There are several ways to do this, such as offering online courses, writing ebooks, or providing consulting services. The key is to create multiple streams of income, so you're not relying on just one source. To become a millionaire, you'll need to invest in yourself and your business. This means continually learning new skills, staying up to date with industry trends, and investing in tools and resources that can help you grow. Remember, the more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become. Another crucial strategy is to network and collaborate with others in your industry. By connecting with like-minded individuals, you can share ideas, learn from each other's experiences, and even form partnerships that can lead to new opportunities and increased revenue. Finally, the key to becoming a millionaire working from home is to stay consistent and persistent. Success doesn't happen overnight, and it takes time, effort, and dedication to achieve your goals. Keep pushing forward, even when things get tough, and remember that every small step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. So there you have it, folks. These are the proven strategies that can help you become a millionaire while working from the comfort of your own home. Remember, it's all about finding your niche, building a strong online presence, monetizing your skills, investing in yourself, networking, and staying consistent. If you follow these steps and stay committed to your goals, there's no reason why you can't achieve the financial success you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and advice.